Okay, we're in game.
I have 21 FPS.
I'm running at 30 right now, so you're fine.
What? On your desktop?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fucked up.
Where should we
Because
go?
this game is not optimized.
Where should we
Where are you
go?
going to?
Gatka or Milta Power?
Let's go. Well, since Rand it's his first time, might as well go somewhere safe. Like
Yeah. Okay, Randy, on
Where?
in blue, just press F to jump off.
Press
Now,
F now.
now. And head toward the blue marker on the map.
And just dive straight down.
Yeah, just dive straight down.
I'm just following Freddy.
Dive straight down.
I have 30 FPS now.
You're fine. Trust me, when you land, it gets a
Okay,
bit
so
better.
do you know the game already? Or do you need us to teach you?
I played some Fortnite, which is pretty much similar to this. So
You
I
mean a
kinda
copy?
know.
Alright. Played the infidel shit. By the way, there's two nibbles landing here.
Two niggas.
God.
Fuck.
Okay,
Punch
grab a
them.
gun quickly.
I'm trying to find one.
Fuck, you went to the building I was trying to go to.
Okay, I got a gun.
Randy, go into a building to look for a gun.
Bro, I can't. The quality is so shit.
Come on. I pick up the fucking shotgun, mate.
Okay, I'm ready to go fuck some hoes.
Bro, I need to go.
Already knocked someone
Oh,
out.
shit.
Okay, there's his friend who's on the other side of the compound.
They're both on the other side of the compound. Oh shit, it's 3 of them. Fuck. I got 3 kills.
You killed all of them?
Yeah, I just squad wiped
Oh
them.
shit. Wait, did 2 of them not have any guns?
3 of them. No, they had guns. One of them had M16, which I just stole.
What the fuck? Okay. Adolf is a fucking madman.
I'm good at this game. This is like the one game I'm okay at.
Hey, don't throw shit in.
Hey, shotgun over here if anyone wants
Oh,
it.
you wanna go? You wanna go ahead?
Yeah.
Alright, and who the fuck is in the background?
I'm talking to one of my freshman buddies.
So scrubs.
I just sound like a chick.
What Freddy said.
Yeah. Does that man, or whatever it is, have a dong?
It.
How do I drop one in my stuff?
You press tab,
and then you,
drag it out.
that's your inventory, and then you could like press tab to like equip stuff like as like a hotkey or drop stuff.
Oh, I just saw a holographic thing.
I took it already.
Oh, god damn it. He cut. I was gonna pick that up.
Do you have something to say about it?
Do you want me to like explain to you with my gun, Randy? It's first come first serve.
That
Wait,
is true.
why can't I not sprint? What?
It's hold shift.
I think I put mine on toggle. Let me check.
Dude, if you're outside, at least press Z and prone. You're like, in like fucking without cover. This
Okay,
nigga is being without cover.
Let's head over here.
I
Yeah.
still can't sprint. What?
Actually, no, this way.
Wait, I can't sprint. Ah.
Okay, right now. Okay, Randy, press
Are
Z.
you holding shift?
Yeah, go to press escape and search your settings. At least get to
Mine-
cover.
Mine is on hold.
Yeah, mine's on hold as well, and it works.
Yeah.
It works.
I don't think there's a toggle option. Randy is not coming. with
Okay,
us.
there, I fixed it. I didn't have a key binding for it.
Oh my god.
Yo, slow down.
Catch
Just-
up, Nibbo.
Randy, do you see the top on top of the screen? There's like a compass. Just when we call out.
all of our
yeah.
call outs, yeah, when we call out like an enemy, just like look on the compass, and then those number values, there's only one of each. So if we call out 60, there's not like two 60s, one on like.
Alright, yeah, I get you.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and then if you press M, that's our map. We can like mark our position as you see how I'm doing right now.
How do you mark?
You right click.
Insert to mark the position you're at, and then you left click wherever
Oh,
your
okay.
mouse is.
I get you now. Wait, Adolf, how do you have like missing health?
Oh, I
'Cause he
fought some people.
Got shot.
Oh,
Randy, you didn't realize I like killed 3 people already.
did you?
Yeah. 3 other people landed with us, and I killed all of them.
Alright.
And
Yeah,
I have
that's
video
okay.
evidence to prove it.
I'm at 27 FPS.
I'm running
wanna
at
kill myself.
53. Well, was running at 53. Now I'm at 60, 70.
Why is this game used so much?
It's not optimized at all.
Why can't they do it so more people can play?
Cause they look the way they think about it is like, why improve it if all the people who are playing it now are like having fun and shit?
We can have more fun.
It's not that much of an improvement.
No, you just sound like a fucking brat. I'm saying, oh, it's not at 60 FPS. It's a bad game.
No, it's because
It's like, I need my 60 FPS or shite.
Hey,
My
level
human
2
eye can't
police
keep
vest.
up.
Hey Freddy, police vest level 2 over here.
Okay.
It's in that room I was in.
I have a fuck ton of attachments, so if any of you boys need any...
Do you have an
Is it-
extended mag for an AR?
No, I have one
Fuck.
for an SMG though. I have
Over here.
2 hollows and a red dot. Why did you throw a stun grenade in the house?
oh, I got a
Police. Well,
bullet for
Randy stole it. Freddy.
this. Ooh.
You're just attracting attention.
Hopefully there aren't that many people in this town.
There's always a lot of people in this town.
Yeah. We should have gone to Gatka instead, to be honest.
What's going on behind us?
Bombing
Bombing
range.
area. Yeah, your FPS would be like dead right now, Randy.
Run, nigga, run. Alright.
Ooh, helmet V2, dibs.
Hey, Adolf, I found a suppressor for your AR.
Oof, where are you? I want it.
I have a tactical stock and a compensator if you guys want it.
Okay, actually, I'm gonna just drop a bunch of shit. Do you have an SMG?
No, I don't.
Wait, what are you using right now? You're using,
Shotgun and M16.
Okay, never mind. I guess I just hold on to my attachments then.
Yeah. Hold on to it till we find something better.
Can you hurt your teammates or not?
Yes, you can.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
but you would pretty much condemn the whole team to failure if you do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that to you. Well, I'm running at 37 FPS now.
At least you're running.
Oh, did I just see someone?
Ooh,
Yeah,
frying
one-
pan.
There's someone over.
Where's the person, Randy?
No, never mind. It was just like a weird shadow shit.
Ooh, assault rifle, give me that. Oh, I need to drop a bunch of shite.
Hey, Freddy, I found another suppressor for an assault rifle if you want it.
Yeah, take it from me. Actually.
Yeah, I got it.
Nice, my dude.
All we need are scopes, and we're fucking set.
Actually, I have a 4x on me this whole time.
Dude, yeah, you're set.
But like I haven't said anything because I kind of want it.
Nah, yeah, you keep
So-
it. I'll give you the suppressor right now.
For the city, I'm just gonna equip a hollow just for close quarter situations. Oh, and Randy, if you're using a weapon like an assault rifle, you switch firing modes with B.
B.
Alright,
But
thanks for
that
the-
is by default. I'm not sure if you swapped that out at some point for something else.
Okay. Do you guys want a compensator just in case you get a
A
message?
compensator for what? Oh,
Thank
Adolf,
you.
this rift though.
Yeah,
This is
sounds
what I'm
really
talking
cool.
about.
Hey, Freddy, Stop moving so much.
What?
I want to drop you the shit.
I kind of don't want to die in the middle of the street, so.
True. I'm in like in here. I'm dropping it where I am.
Yeah, I dropped 2 stuff.
Ooh, actually, I need that.
Drop two.
I'm gonna just drop a bunch of stuff, and maybe you guys could find use for it.
Hey, Freddy. There's a quick draw mag over here for an assault rifle.
I'll take that.
It's in that room.
Oh man, graphics are so shit. I want to die.
Oh yeah, Randy.
Oh,
For medicine, you right-click it in your inventory to use it.
okay. I have a crowbar.
Okay, well that's not gonna do you shit at this point in the game.
Yeah, that's only used in like very beginning.
Yeah.
If not
like
a
the
frying-
first several minutes.
The only good like melee is a frying pan, which I have it for ass
Which I
protection.
have
I have one
right
for ass
here.
Yeah, I have one as well for ass protection.
Okay.
Wait, what can I equip on a shotgun?
Not much.
Oh. Okay, I have a red dot.
I'm going to
How
second
come-
floor.
How can I use my red dot sight?
You need a gun that can allow the use of a red dot.
I have a pistol, but I can't zoom in into it.
A pistol can take a red dot, but it can't take a hollow.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm using a red dot, but I can't actually use it.
Like drag and drop it onto the slot, or just press tab. Or I mean not tab, but right click.
No, that it's on my gun. I just can't zoom in and look at it.
Okay.
What?
It should be right mouse button. Hey Randy, pick up a backpack. You have one?
Oh, I click once. Okay.
Yeah. Randy,
Where
over
is it?
here there's a backpack. Pick it up. It allows you to carry more shit. Obviously.
My song.
Oh yeah, you press V to switch between third person and first person.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
that's
I'm moving
so
houses.
On my way.
Get out.
Try staying undercover, Randy. It's a bombing raid.
I
Right
can't jump off.
You hold space.
Marco, are you just like chilling listening to this music?
Yeah. Oh
Okay.
shit, was that?
I feel like you're just sitting down like on an acid trip.
Are we supposed to stay here or go into the white area?
We just have to stay in the white boundary. We could go to the middle of the circle and just kind of predict where the final circles are gonna be, or we could just like stay on the edge and slowly move inward. Both methods are effective.
I think we should look for a
I say
vehicle
we start moving in.
or moving. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, moving out.
Yep. Should we head to yellow or not?
Yeah. But we need to like run around the outskirts of the city.
Yeah. I mean, let's see if there's any nearby roads. Yeah, there's a nearby road. I'm gonna go look for a vehicle.
Okay, so Randy, what do you need to know about this game? Assault rifles and snipers rule. Okay. If you
Shut
don't
up.
have any one of those, you're pretty much guaranteed to fail.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh wait, people up ahead.
What number?
Drop. Exactly up ahead, northeast. I'm gonna slowly
How
move
do you
in
see them? What?
because they're like tiny pixels moving around.
Oh, I can't see shit. So.
And then if you have, well, if they have low textures, then they can
Oh, there's a car.
pretty much
There's a-
call you up.
Is there a car
Shit,
coming?
there was a vehicle just passed. Yeah. It's going
Where?
for the
What
cave.
side?
Right side, it's going toward. Yeah, it just passed east.
Okay.
Oh, another car. Oh, it's a yellow car.
Yeah. Going southeast. There are people shooting at it, so there's people near the area.
Okay. Slowly start to move in here.
No wait, I actually learned how to crawl like this in the core.
Okay, I thought I saw people here. may have been wrong. Actually, you know what? They may have gone into the bunker
Yeah,
over there.
we saw a vehicle heading that way, so.
Oh no, yeah, he's right there. Do you see him?
Where?
I'm a
He's
pistol.
over there in the compound. He moved indoors, but he's in that compound. I say we loot this compound instead.
Okay, let's go.
I have a really shit.
Oh, bomb.
Yeah, let's just go inside the
They
building.
get indoors.
Separate buildings or same buildings?
Oh wait, shit, these buildings have been looted.
That's why. We just need to get inside one building.
Randy, close the door on
Close
your
the
way
door,
in.
yeah. Randy, you stay down there and guard the area.
I guard the stairs?
Yeah,
or-
guard the stairs. I'm over here trying to see if I could see anyone and shoot anyone from here. Okay, we're in game.
I have 21 FPS.
I'm running at 30 right now, so you're fine.
What? On your desktop?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fucked up.
Where should we go?
This game is not optimized.
Where should we
are you
go?
going to-
Gatka or Milta Power?
Let's go. Well, since Rand it's his first time, might as well go somewhere safe. I think.
Yeah. Okay, Randy, on
Where?
in blue, just press F to jump off.
Press
now,
F now.
And head toward the blue marker on the map.
And just dive straight down.
Yeah, just dive straight down.
I'm just following Freddy.
Dive straight down.
I have 30 FPS now.
You're fine. Trust me, when you land, it gets a
Okay,
bit better.
Do you know the game already? Or do you need us to teach you?
I played some Fortnite, which is pretty much similar to this. So
You
I
mean a
kinda
copy?
know.
Alright. Played the infidel shit. By the way, there's two nivas landing here.
Two niggas.
God.
Fuck.
Okay,
just Punch
grab a
them.
gun quickly.
I'm trying to find one.
Fuck, you went to the building I was trying to go to.
Okay, I got a gun.
Randy, go into a building to look for a gun.
Bro, I can't. The quality is so shit.
Come on. I'd pick up the fucking shotgun, mate.
Okay, I'm ready to go fuck some hoes.
Bro, I need a gun.
Already knock someone
Oh,
out.
shit.
Okay, there's his friend who's on the other side of the compound.
They're both on the other side of the compound. Oh shit, it's three of them. Fuck. I got 3 kills.
You killed all of them?
Yeah, I just squad wiped
Oh
them.
shit. Wait, did 2 of them not have any guns?
3 of them. No, they had guns. One of them had M16, which I just stole.
What the fuck? Okay. Adolf is a fucking madman.
I'm good at this game. This is like the one game I'm okay at.
Hey, don't throw shit in.
Hey, shotgun over here if anyone wants
Oh,
it.
you wanna go? You wanna go
Yeah,
ahead?
yeah.
And who the fuck is in the background?
I'm talking to one of my freshman buddies.
So
But-
scrubs.
I just sound like a
What?
chick.
What Freddy said.
Yeah. Does that man or whatever it is have a dong?
It.
How do I drop one in my stuff?
You press tab,
and then you
drag it out.
that's your inventory, and then you could like press tab to like equip stuff like as like a hotkey or drop stuff.
Oh, I just saw a holographic thing.
I took it already.
Oh, god damn it. You cut. I was gonna pick that up.
You have something to say about it?
Do you want to like explain to you my gun, Randy? It's first come first serve.
That is
Wait,
true.
why can't I not sprint? What?
It's hold shift.
I think I put mine on toggle. Let me check.
Dude,
I
if
have
you're outside, at
a-
least press Z and prone. You're like in like fucking without cover. This
Okay,
nigga is being without cover.
let's head over here.
I
Yeah.
still can't sprint. What?
Actually, no, this way.
Wait, I can't sprint. Ah.
Okay, right now. Okay, Randy, press
Are
Z.
you holding shift?
Yeah, go to press escape and search your settings. At least get into
Mine-
cover.
Mine is on hold.
Yeah, mine's on hold as well, and it works.
Yeah.
It works.
I don't think there's a toggle option. Randy is not coming.
Okay, there, I fixed it. I didn't have a key binding for it.
Oh my god.
Yo, slow down.
Catch
You-
up, nibbo.
Randy, do you see the top on top of the screen? There's like a compass.
Mhm.
Just
Okay.
when we call out.
all of our
yeah.
call outs, yeah, gotta watch out from up the hill and behind me.
Yeah, and the circle coming in.
The circle probably is gonna kill those guys unless they found a vehicle.
Oh, hurry, hurry. You have to hurry, dude.
Randy, the thing is,
Ah.
in the circle, you don't instantly die. You take damage.
No, you
Oh.
slowly start taking that. It's not an instant.
Yeah, only
But
in like the
more,
third.
like the circle closes in, the blue circle does more damage.
Yeah.
Okay.
So at first, like you just take like little pixels worth of damage.
Dude, they are fighting like right on top of you.
I know. Gotta drink that Red Bull.
Yeah.
What does the energy do? It
Jesus.
just makes you run longer?
It makes you run.
Slowly
and
regains
feels-
your health and it makes you run a little bit faster.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is no bueno. I don't have that much ammo. I have about a mag.
Yeah. Next time, let's land somewhere that's like not safe.
That was safe. Me and George got to like second place landing there.
Damn.
And we had like no one attacking us either. And we were just like looting compounds.
Damn,
on,
I love
like
this
tiny
song.
little compounds on that road. Oh my god, the next circle's so far.
Lol, I just realized Steam has an FPS count and I'm using Fraps as well. I have 2 FPS counters.
I'm at
Vehicle.
27 right now.
I'm at 48.
Wow.
Yeah,
What's up with
the
you
game
guys?
is hella unoptimized.
If they optimize it, would I have perfect FPS on my laptop? Like
Yeah.
60?
Dude, if they like fixed a bunch of stuff, yeah, it would. The thing is that they're using like default items within the engine that has way too many polygons for like useless stuff. And on a game this size, you don't need that. Freddy got lucky, he found the vehicle.
Yeah.
Shit, it looks like it's gonna be a farm ending.
Yeah. Oh, I see that fucker too. Oh no.
Oh shit, another vehicle over there.
I wonder if I can run myself over.
You probably can.
This is a new tactic that I have not yet utilized. I wonder if they suspect anything. This is actually not a bad idea.
Yeah.
Yo, Give
Yeah.
me a second, guys. It's not my. I changed it to full screen. It's not working.
Rip. Dude, there's 30 people in that tiny ass circle.
I know. I think I'm just gonna drive it in.
Yeah, you might as well at this point.
I'm gonna die. Oh my god, that's where those guys stopped.
That moment you're not getting shot at.
That moment when I'm about to fucking die.
There's some right outside.
Ooh. I see him. No. Nope. Fuck you. Fuck you, matey. Oh. I really don't like this.
How far are you guys out?
24 alive. Super small circle.
Damn.
Freddy's the only one
Randy
alive.
left.
He said he was
Wow.
having issues in game.
Randy always has issues.
Ooh, you're in a circle barely.
Damn, I'm gonna die though. There's probably gonna be nibbles coming through here.
Yeah.
You think they're suspecting me?
Jeez.
What
Yep.
Oh fuck!
Damn.
It went from 24 to 15 in like 30 seconds.
Yeah. That was decent.